Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes, and today we're diving into the refreshed and recharged 2025 Kia Sorento PHEV. Kia has been making serious waves in the hybrid and plug-in hybrid segments, and with this latest update, the Sorento PHEV is looking sharper, more modern, and even more appealing for families and eco-conscious drivers alike. If you've been thinking about making the jump to a plug-in SUV, this one might just check all your boxes. The 2025 Sorento PHEV is all about confident presence with an evolutionary but impactful redesign. Up front, the exterior receives a bold makeover that aligns it more with Kia's new design language seen on models like the EV9. The Tiger nose grille has been reimagined with a wider, more aggressive shape, finished in gloss black or chrome depending on trim, and flanked by striking vertically stacked LED headlamps. These lights give the front fascia a high-tech, modern look that immediately signals the vehicle's electrified nature. The clean hood lines and new front bumper also add a sense of muscularity and premium finish. From the side, the Sorento PHEV keeps its familiar profile but with updated styling cues that make it feel more dynamic. Subtle design tweaks to the window line, a recontoured C-pillar, and lower body cladding give the SUV a sleeker, more aerodynamic shape. Flush-mounted door handles and a new wheel lineup, ranging from 17 to 20 inches depending on the trim, enhance the futuristic appeal. The plug-in charging port remains neatly integrated on the rear quarter panel, and the charge status indicator light adds a functional, tech-savvy detail. Around back, the changes continue with reshaped LED taillights that now feature a full-width light bar for a more distinctive night signature. The new rear bumper integrates cleaner lines, and a revised tailgate design offers a more polished, upscale appearance. Overall, the exterior of the 2025 Sorento PHEV strikes a strong balance between rugged SUV capability and modern, electrified elegance. Under the hood, or rather, under the body, the Sorento PHEV continues to use Kia's proven 1.6-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine paired with a single electric motor and a lithium-ion battery pack. The combined output is around 261 horsepower, which gives it solid acceleration and plenty of muscle for highway cruising, urban driving, and even light towing. Power is delivered through a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission and an available all-wheel drive system, which provides extra confidence in poor weather or rough terrain. One of the key highlights for the 2025 model is improved battery efficiency and a slightly increased all-electric driving range. You can expect around 35 miles of electric-only range, which is perfect for daily commutes, errands, and short trips without ever using a drop of gas. When you do need the engine, the hybrid system works seamlessly to provide extra torque while keeping fuel consumption impressively low. Total driving range with a full tank and charge should exceed 460 miles, making it one of the most practical plug-in hybrid SUVs on the market. Charging is easy and convenient, with a standard level 2 charger able to top off the battery in under 3.5 hours. Kia also offers an upgraded onboard charger for even faster home charging setups. And like all Kia electrified models, the Sorento PHEV comes with a comprehensive warranty package that adds peace of mind. Inside the cabin, while today's focus is on the exterior, it's worth mentioning that the new Sorento PHEV has received tech and layout updates to match the premium exterior vibe. A larger curved display, improved infotainment, and sustainable interior materials all make the inside just as appealing as the outside. When it comes to price, the 2025 Kia Sorento PHEV is expected to start at around $46,000, with higher trims climbing up toward the low $50,000s. While that places it in the premium end of the segment, you're getting a lot for your money: advanced driver assistance systems, plug-in hybrid capability, a modernized design, and Kia's excellent warranty coverage. The biggest selling point of the 2025 Sorento PHEV is its versatility. It gives you the freedom to drive electric in the city and hybrid on the highway without worrying about charging infrastructure. It fits families comfortably, looks modern and sharp, and offers the peace of mind that comes with one of the most reliable brands in the game. With its updated styling, improved range, and all-around refinement, the Sorento PHEV is positioned to be a top choice for anyone seeking that sweet spot between efficiency, function, and style. Thanks for watching Auto Speed's Vibes. If you're thinking about going green without giving up SUV practicality, the 2025 Kia Sorento PHEV might be your perfect match. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews and first looks at the hottest cars hitting the road. Until next time, drive smart and stay electrified.